Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add group game. Let's say you've created a group and you want to add game to the group. How do you do it? It's quite simple. From the home menu, you click on the library at the bottom, then you click on study group, and then you click on the name of the group, and then at the bottom you see the option for add group game. Click on it and then you choose the games you want to add. Let's say I want to add Captain Marvel's cosmetic game. Then you add it. Then to start a study group game, you click on host, and then you can either use the host live, that is where you start an interactive game lesson. They'll be on live, everyone will be playing at the same time, or you choose a sign where you send it as a game homework to them, or you can add to study group. So since we're doing study group, click to add to study group, then you choose your study group, which is the best option. And that is how to add game to study group. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.